I would just like to say that it was a wonderful experience for the children as well as for us. And even I am Landmark graduate, and the language which I was using at home, and the things which I always wanted to see in my children, now I can say that there she has got it. And I pray to God that this program Zenith touches and transforms many children and many parents ahead.
Suggestions, like anything you would suggest to it, because we've just started. We definitely
no, it was really an excellent effort. It was really an excellent. I just can't say that anything better than this could be created. It was really very nice.
So you had fun or not? Like, learning and all is different, but
had a lot fun.
Yeah,
had a lot fun.
Because subah se sham tak ye Haryana must be like 10 to 5.
No, yeah. First of all, when I listened that 10 to 5, I was like 7 hours. Okay, but when I came here, then I had a lot of fun.
It's a good start. We wanted our child to have a good time. Okay, and that we can, confidently say that yes, she had a great time.
Thank you.
When she went back yesterday, the kind of questions her actions, small actions, they were speaking a lot.
Right.
Okay, and which we were not expecting it.
That's even better to know.
So we were not expecting it. So those small changes now, that's very important. And what I also personally feel, I was just telling him that these kind of programs, the elders, we have attended so many of them, and we keep getting opportunity. For the kids, it was probably one of the unique programs. We have never seen such thing. So we would request you guys to keep on doing it.
Definitely.
You see, हमेशा change बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. What we've done here is and which is very important is कि before that gap develops between a parent and a child, to open that channel of communication and to build a bridge, so that कि जब बाहर से peer pressure आता है, कुछ होता है, तो that bonding is always there. This is like that, like having vitamins before, so that the disease doesn't develop at all. So this is what has happened over here. So अगर आप पूछो apparent change, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा change, that is not there, but we've laid a foundation of something. We've opened up a channel of communication, and let's go forward.
It was a wonderful evening. 1 month of efforts by Gurleen ma'am, and the results are there to see for everybody. Transformation is so much. And I would really like to thank everybody, and especially Gurleen ma'am, for giving so much of guidance to the people, to the children, bring about transformation in themselves. And I would just like to tell you that to bring about a change in oneself, I think that is the most difficult task. And as you grow up, you learn these things. That bringing about a change in oneself, that is the biggest challenge for everybody, and it is the most difficult thing to do. And while seeing the children, when they said that this is the change that they want to bring about in themselves, it was really great to see them. And I would like to really congratulate all the children for their wonderful efforts. And
what a fabulous program. I have never seen such a program, to be very frank with you. And the live example is that when I came here at 5 o'clock, there were hardly 2 parents, and me and my wife were talking that where is Gurleen, where is Harjeet, they are not traceable here, what is going on and on. And then we realized that they are actually at the background, and they have left everything on the kids, and they are doing everything on their own. And this was really marvelous, that they have done, right from scripting to the, story writing, composing, direction, everything they have done. And in fact, I was thinking that my son was asking that, what changes you find in me. So I was looking for the word that what to say, and I found him, more confident, and he can, he's more creative, he's more, what should I say, talkative. And the another live example I want to share with you. You just saw him in the last couple of minutes, the way he was asking the questions to you.
The point that I observed in Tanya is like we spend time in teaching maths and science to our kids, but we never spend time to tell them who they actually are, or to know who we actually are and what are we here for. So the thing that Gurleen madam has given them is the thought process to think about themselves their thoughts, their reaction, how they are reacting to the situation. I think we got this very late in our life, but thanks to Gulleen ma'am, they have got it very early, and they have started the process of knowing their own self. So thanks a lot to Gulleen ma'am and to all the kids who have come here with all the enthusiasm to learn about themselves.
So I'm actually raising both my hands to pursue my child to do the studies first and then everything later, because it's so much of cutthroat competition. But I think looking at him today, it was so overwhelming, you know, at the onset of the summers, you know, and being a working mom. And
one thing I would like to share that, you know, this has been a great kind of a forum, and, you know, the opportunity that they got. In fact, as Ma'am was saying, you know, we got this opportunity very late in life, so probably, you know, we are okay, we are good, but I feel that we are so-so. But what these guys are doing at this stage and this age of life, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So I think it's a good forum and a good opportunity that has been created by you. Me and my wife was pretty apprehensive in the beginning, you know, about the session as to, okay, it's going to be some other, you know, fun program or, you know, some kind of a summer, you know, camp and all that. But I think it's been a great experience, and we've really seen a lot of changes in our kids.
good evening, all of you. My daughter has been coaxing me from there in the seat to come up here and say, well, I was prepared because I wanted to share my experience with you. My daughter Mithali's experience has been very enriching here in the sense that she's learned to mingle and make new friends and come up and meet new people, because as you know, one parent just said that they were apprehensive. Same, even I was quite apprehensive in the sense that my daughter was coming all the way from Faridabad, and it was quite a distance for me, and I was in two minds. But I think it was a good decision sending her here all alone, because she left her friends there and I wanted to make new friends here and meet up new people. And they've been talking a lot about passion, goals, integrity, you know, dedication. She's just 9.5, and I thought that this program is for 9 to 14 years. I felt she was too young for it. But then when she started speaking about it, started interviewing us at home and asking what her strengths and areas of concern were, I think at least the thought process has popped up, and she's going to continue thinking about it.
मैं इनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आई एम ए प्रोफेशनल सिंगर, जो काम मैं आज तक इतने दिन से नहीं कर सका, मैं अपनी बिटिया को कभी स्टेज पे नहीं गवा सका, वो गुलीन मैम जी ने करके दिखाया. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल गुलीन जी. बस ये दो लाइन ही मैं कहना चाहता हूँ. उसका ये कॉन्फिडेंस, सब बच्चों ने बहुत बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया, और उनके परफॉर्मेंस के लिए, उनके कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए मैं मुझे बहुत खुशी है, और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आगे भी आपसे टच.
Bottom of my heart for doing this work. Excellent work which you are doing. Thank you so much. He's my darling. What I have seen change in him is that he is confident, and he has tried to learn to respect his elders. That's it. Thank you so much. And I don't have words to say, you know. I think I need to join Zenith, you know. Gain that confidence. Because what I've seen in kids, you know, I mean, this is amazing. I mean, with Praneeth, she is so much confident. Gurset, he's totally changed person now. What he was before, he's totally, it's been like, you know, reformation in them. And I thank Mr. Hakeem, please, and Gulleen ma'am for taking so much pleasure in dealing with them from their heart, you know, as though they were their own kids. And thanks a lot once again to everybody, and lots and lots of what I can say. Thanks to the kids for showing us what actually they are, you know. And we misjudged them. Thanks a lot.